Tip, this is crazy working man today. I gotta pick up cigarette butts today, so which is awesome. It's just gives me something to do out here besides clean up and stuff like that. Sorry, I haven't did a video on cleaning up dog poop in a while, so maybe next week. Like Zoinks, dude, you pick up dog poop. Rah! You will too. Rah! Rah! Yeah, picking up cigarette butts. Hey, this hurts my knees. After this, I gotta wash my hands. I should do my tripod on some things. My mini tripod. Get over here. All cleaned out, man. Yeah, if you guys know, mostly I do pick up dog poop. I'll do a video next week, so okay, I'm sorry. This will be short notice and everything else. But next week I will do that for you guys. If you guys have a strong enough stomach for me to pick up dog poop. Right now I'm thirsty. I just got done cleaning the whole yard back there in my backyard, so yeah, so heck, I love you guys. And I'll catch you guys next time, so peace, love, always for love and work. Please do also hit that comment section, smash that like button, hit the notification bell section to be notified for whatever video I upload, and subscribe. And also, this video is brought to you by Copper Fit, compression gloves, sleeves, and also knee brace. So cool. Heck, laters. On PS, if you guys do have a strong enough stomach for me to pick up dog poop, please let me know in the comment section.